streaming today again, hopefully starting to be more consistent again. A lot of things are happening in the world of AI, so I need to get out of my dungeon and get back out in the open to show you guys what I'm working on. I had some technical issues again because the routine is kind of missing. Let's quickly check if everything is working. Yeah, X is working. Check, check. Okay, so yes, we are live. And also, like today's topic is going to be I opened up Paint for like a very long time. I haven't done that. So the goal for today is obviously vibe coding. What are we doing today? Today, by the way, Fable 5 is supposed to come out again, but we will see if coding is actually available or if they will default back to Opus. And also, I heard it's just going to be available for a week before it switches to API, and then also they have some KYC and stuff coming, but we will see. Right now, Fable 5 is not available, at least not for me in Eastern Europe right now. So we're going to do a game, and I've been a gamer for a long time. I played many games, a lot of games. So currently on my radar, obviously, we have GTA 6, which is supposed to come out November this year, right? So today's the 1st of July. So we have July, August, September, October. We have 4 months. A lot of anticipation in these plus 4 months. And then also something that is like all over my timeline is Mecha Chameleon, which is this type of hide and seek game which we have seen in like mods of Call of Duty. Congrats, kudos. Apparently, two guys vibe coded, I don't know, maybe a combination of both, this game in 2 months. And I mean, this is basically a hide and seek that we've seen again as part of other games, but they made like a very simple but very engaging type of game, similar vibes to like Among Us. So my idea today, maybe Fable 5 comes out later. Again, Sonnet 5 came out. Also GLM 5.2 is doing really good on the benchmarks. So the idea is kind of this for today, right? I'm also working on some other stuff, but today the idea is how can we build a fun, simple graphics game that is type GTA 6 or GTA overall vibe, that you have a city where you can have fun. I've also seen a lot of videos, FOMO videos and FUD videos about GTA 6. A lot of people are excited. A lot of people on X think you can make millions of dollars money with this in this new creator economy that apparently they're gonna have or don't have. I don't know. I did some digging on 5M, like mods and customized servers and stuff. We can go into that if you guys want. But yeah, that's the challenge for today, right? So I have done a little bit of preparation. I've checked if we should use Hermes agent or Claude or Codex or whatever. And probably for some fast results, the best thing here to do is just a new folder, open terminal, punch in Claude, and then just go local with Claude. um, for fast prototyping. If we wanted to make this like a more long thinking, long term actual project, probably including Hermes agent or like transporting at some point would be the best idea. But yeah, we are in the silly city. That's the working title. And I've also created an MD file. Let's build a silly and fun game called Silly City. Take take this PRD as starting point. Let's go. Yeah, give some permissions. Usually what I like to do, this is like a clean new project. We need to check if we are using Claude skills and stuff like this. And I need to quickly check if we are live and if people are talking to us or not. I don't know if we have any chats going on. Like I had a time like a year and a half ago, where it was like very active. There was like a big activity. Um, but we took a break, so kind of need to like start over from scratch, I guess. So kind of need to like start over from scratch, I guess. So kind of need to like start over from scratch, I guess. So if you're watching this, if I'm not immediately responding, we are live on Twitch. We are live on X. We are live on Kick. Kick. Yes. And one more. Oh yeah, YouTube live as well. Yes. And my strategy
One
going forward
more.
for my
Oh yeah,
personal
YouTube
brand is
live as
also
well.
the live streaming is
Yes.
going to be the main
And
my
uh,
strategy going
one
forward for
more.
my
Oh yeah,
personal brand
YouTube
is
live as
also
well.
the live streaming
Yes.
is Kick. And then I will use the content I'm producing during the live
Kick.
stream and either
Yes.
manually or automated
And
or
one
AI or some
more.
kind
Oh
of
yeah,
mix
YouTube live as
going
well.
to create
Yes.
content.
And
And my strategy going
one
forward
more.
for my
Oh yeah,
personal brand
YouTube
is
live as
also
well.
the live streaming is
Yes.
going to be the main
And
my
uh,
strategy. All right, which stream am I hearing now? So I just checked. We are actually live on all four platforms. So multi-streaming to four platforms. And dun, 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 dun. Let me check my GitHub. Repos. Again, GitHub repo Silly City. Great repo. Great PRD. Let me check what's already in the project. Yeah, the project is empty. That's why you will not see anything. It's a new folder. I'm just creating here a public repository. So this is github.com/ninogrino/ silly city. And let's see if we can, I don't know, like open source build something cool that will maybe just, I don't know, bridge the next 4 months until the actual GTA 6 comes out, and then nobody cares about anything else but GTA. But we have 4 months, right? And there is a lot of anticipation, there is a lot of FOMO, a lot of FUD. So maybe an interesting thing to give people something that is bringing back the original GTA vibes, which I've seen is like something that a lot of people are missing from like the good old GTA days. Obviously, the whole world world building, character building, storytelling is going to be on a whole different level. But there are also some aspects that are not resonating well with everybody, to put it lightly. Almost done thinking. Which model are we using here? We're using Sonnet 4.6. This is not. This is not what we want to use. We want to use. Why are we using Sonnet 4.6? We should either use Sonnet 4.5, which came out recently, introduction. Now the default. Yeah, why is this 4.6 then? Set the AI model Sonnet 5.0 like this. Why is this taking so long? So yeah, I mean, let's put it. Wow, this is really taking long. Okay, by the way, I made a fun little website. This looks a bit different than I imagined it, but it is also mobile responsive. So on mobile, I mean the contrast is terrible, but yeah, I don't know. I just wanted to have a site, so it's ninogrino.ai. I linked my YouTube, my Twitch, my TikTok, my X, my Instagram, and Snap. Probably need to add more stuff and probably need to define a system that is taking care of everything. Here's the PRD file. I super quickly this morning just wanted to check if we can build something very quickly. So this is like a you see the character cannot even jump or run. It's just some objects. We're wearing a dinosaur costume for whatever reason. There's some mock-up buildings here. I like the color palette personally, but it should be open. There is like a blocky type of car. Oh, we can enter the car. Enter. Let's go. I didn't even know that. Oh, there's a mission already. Delivery. Oh, hell yeah. Wow, I did not know that. This is a crazy delivery spot. Delivery. Exit the vehicle. Is that it? Mode walking. Deliveries 4. Click here first, then WASD move, drive. Okay. I think this is it. This was like one shot. Oh, there are more deliverables. Okay. So probably I don't know if this has an end. Probably this is just I'm stuck here on the corner. Delivery. Yeah, this is like endless deliveries of I don't know what. Let's see how far the map actually goes. Where is the next delivery? Cannot turn the camera. I cannot find the new delivery. But anyways, yeah, that was just supposed to be. Can also do this full screen. So apparently there is some physics with the buildings, so you cannot go. Oh, there's another delivery spot. Okay. For the NPCs, there is no physics in place yet. What if I just walk up to the delivery? Does that work too? Oh, that works too. So I can deliver by by foot or with the car. I really wish I could jump or just run. I love the color palette. So like Claude really knows my taste. Anyways, back to here. Excellent PID file, small city, primitives only, no assets, silly, not criminal, no prototype file in download. So I'll build a fresh from the spec. Let me scaffold the whole thing. With TypeScript 3.js, all 15 source files, JSON. Uh, yes, okay, let's go, continue. So let's see. Yeah, the idea is really to produce something lightweight to again push the limits. If Fable 5 is coming out, we will see what it is capable of. And by the way, I want to understand which model we are using right now. What happened to these commands here? Will think before responding. Claude will respond without extended thinking. Yeah. Enter. Okay. Thinking is off. This is like way too slow. Okay, it's writing here the TypeScript 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 files for movement, for collision, some physics, ground, buildings. Okay, we let it finish. We let it finish, and then yeah, let's save the current version. Git, GitHub, public new repo. So later. Cell account 2. My website is running there. Just quickly checking here. Mm. The new project. Connecting with GitHub. I should probably do this off screen. Okay, so usually what I do as well is, so we have a new project locally. Project. This is like super tiny. Bro, I have not used Paint for probably 10 years. Is this better? Yeah. So we have the folder, then we have Git to do version control, and then we have GitHub. And then we have Vercel for hosting. So this is usually my setup. How can I move? This is terrible. Anyways, project folder goes saving the Git so we can roll back and we have kind of proper version control. GitHub, especially if you want to do like an open source project, and then GitHub is linked to Vercel. And then hosting, probably like I mean, we are anyways prototyping, so like a dev staging environment, and then we should have a production environment once we have something that is playable. That's like a terrible graphics I created here, but it shows something. Okay, so what next? Compound command contains cd passive operation prevent blah. Okay, come on, continue. We are using still Sonnet 4.6 high effort. I want to switch to Sonnet 5.0. Yes, but we need to switch to Sonnet 5.0 now. Enter. Let's see if that works. Select model. Oh, nope, 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 nope. We want Sonnet 5.0. Enter to set as default. Switch between claw models. Defaults for new sessions. Switch models, run model in the claw prompt or pass model ID. Let's try this. Hyphen hyphen model plot sonnet 5.0. Let's see if that works. Thinking users trying to switch over, but it doesn't exist. What? There is no 5 point. What the? What about update? Update. Maybe we need to update Claude. Maybe it's on an old version. So the idea, I mean, this maybe there is not too entertaining, and there are like some breaks in between that are a bit boring, but my idea, my vision, what I want to build with my personal brand, with what I'm doing, I want to show the authentic journey of AI that I'm taking. This is not the one end of the spectrum. It's like, oh, this is insane. I one prompted, blah, 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 this and that. And it's also not the other side, like everything is AI slop and everything is taking our jobs and AI is terrible. It's kind of like the actual thing somewhere in the middle, like a spectrum, right? So obviously this will not be, this is a live stream, right? This is live, we do everything live. We like, I know a lot of stuff. I also I'm learning every day new stuff, which is like amazing that I can learn new stuff and I'm not getting bored. Did plot plot updates. Let's go. It's kind of weird though, because in the beginning it gave me the announcement. Just having a chat to meet. Oh, I need to run this. Okay, save the current Git version, then I will update and start again where we left off. Okay, let's just make sure what I did, it's saved. How do you write Mecha Chameleon, by the way? Mecha Chameleon. I think it's correct. Chameleon. I think it's not bad. I think this is not bad. Alright, my headset is telling me that it's going to shut down soon, and I need to probably take a break. It's like super hot here as well. And I need to make sure, maybe not for today, but I should be recording this stuff. I don't know where to put the camera and how much of the code we should show, like a 50-50 split, probably, right? I need to see. Anyways, for the two people who joined today for the stream, thank you for tuning in. I will take a break, charge my headset, and hopefully